Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle comes in red metallic paint with black alloy rims. We also have our front plug deflector, chrome front grille, chrome running boards, full-line truck bed, as well as rear privacy tint and our V6 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Colorado, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons. Below we have our close handle, rear window locks and rear child locks, automatic power windows for front and rear, and power mirror adjustment with joystick, speaker underneath, as well as storage and seat adjustments on the side. We also have our interior lighting dimmer switch, daytime running light switch, and four-wheel drive system off to the left, as well as a credit card holder. Our gauge cluster, radio controls on the right side of the steering wheel, and cruise control off to the left. The steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Our infotainment screen displays our audio phone as well as projection for our phone and OnStar navigation. Below that we have our radio controls, climate controls, hazards, our traction control, truck bed lighting, and our trailering, USB, as well as auxiliary input and 12-volt charging port below. Then we have our gear select stock, 2 cup holders and storage. In our center console we have a USB, and the front seats are featured in black fabric with gray stitching and a textured pattern in the lower portion of the seat. On the rearview mirror we have our OnStar controls, above that dome lights and dome light settings, and our sunglass holder. Back onto the exterior we can take a closer look at our alloy rims. Chrome running boards, you can also see Colorado in chrome, paint matched rear caps, a rear privacy tint, 4x4 badging, paint matched bumper with bumper steps. Now moving on to the rear interior, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door card, which features our chrome door handle, window switch, close handles, storage, and speaker. Back of the center console we have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt charging port with storage underneath. And the rear seats are featured in black fabric with the addition of our fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.